Hello everybody, welcome back to Initial Solution. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to fix Instagram messages not loading. So let's have a look now. At first, check your internet connection. If your connection is unstable, try restarting your router or switching to a different network. Sometimes a simple restart of the app can fix the issue. Close the Instagram app completely and reopen it. Then check if your messages are loading. Ensure you are using the latest version of the Instagram app. Go to the Google Play Store, search for Instagram, and check if an update is available. If there's an update, tap Update to install it, and then check your message again. It might solve your issues. If it's still not working, then try contacting to the Instagram support. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.